Meet the world's first dual-lens 4K webcam. This is the EMEET Piko Plus, designed for creators, streamers, and anyone who wants to look amazing online. This little powerhouse packs AI-powered video, studio-grade audio, and a design that is literally straight up fun. Check that out! Check it out. So in the box, you get the webcam itself, a magnetic privacy cover, and a USB-C cable. It's simple, clean, and you can go from unboxing to streaming in just under a minute. So setup is literally plug and play. No drivers needed. Just connect, adjust, and you're ready. Just get a better view of me. There we are. There you go. Cool. All right, so I went ahead and pulled up the software to show you, and this is exactly what it looks like. Overall, pretty cool and user-friendly. Now, you have 3 tabs on the top left here from Control, Effect, and Assistance. Control gives you capability to control in terms of live mode, noise canceling, original sound, and of course the field of view. So to kind of give you a demo of that, right now we're in our original sound, but if I hit noise canceling, and then I can hit live mode, you can kind of tell the difference between them. So noise canceling will disable any kind of sounds around you, like the fan, things like that. And then live mode will be more designed for if you're working on something that's right in front of you. Field of view lets you move in a little bit more if you want to zoom in just like that. And yeah, I mean, it's actually pretty cool for what it is. Now, I can also change this to like the 1080p at 60 frames per second. So this will give you a lot more smoother field of view. So you can move around a little bit and it'll keep up with it a lot more quicker. And then you can also bump it up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Now this is going to give you the most high quality footage that you can get out of this. And it's actually really great. I can see myself using this for like meetings or just even videos going forward. So it's actually really good in terms of quality goes, and you can see like all the fine details. Under effects here, you'll see a variety of different filters. So you have nostalgia, you have like a blue filter, and it's kind of up to you what you want to do with it, but I'm just going to keep it on default to kind of show you a little bit more about it. Next thing we'll look at is called Assistance. So Assistance is kind of cool because what this does is it lets you focus on specifically a person, a specific area, so you can do that as well. And then you can technically drag and drop where you want that focus to be. You also have a physical manual focus. So right now we're on near, so if I put my finger right there, you can see the small details on my finger, or I could do far, or just click on automatic, which is probably the best thing that you could do. There you go. Now, again, you can hit record, and then you can also rotate the camera too. So if you want to, rotate the physical camera, you can use it to record like vertical videos. You can flip it horizontally, vertically, things like that. And yeah, it's nice because it gives you all that full customization at a simple click of a button. Hands down, really super user-friendly. Now check this out. Compared to a regular compact camera like my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Piko Plus delivers 4K quality at 30 frames per second with a larger sensor. In other words, it captures way more detail, natural light, and depth for a fraction of this insane cost. All right, so this here is a quick little difference between both cameras, kind of showing you what our DJI Pocket 3 shows versus our webcam. And obviously there's a huge price difference between the both, but surprisingly, the quality of this camera is actually pretty good. Thanks to its AI dual lens system, the Piko Plus detects your face even in tough lighting. And yes, it's adorable. The dual lens design isn't just cute, it brings human-like emotions to your streams and meetings. Plus, that magnetic privacy cover, just like that, makes it super satisfying to snap on and off. So in terms of audio quality, it's pretty much next level. It features a 3 mic array and a 3 AI audio mode. So you can technically fine-tune it, your sound, whether you're gaming or in a meeting or live streaming music. So whether you're creating YouTube videos like me or quick TikTok clips, the Piko Plus definitely supports both horizontal and vertical shooting. No complicated setups that require you to physically rotate it. It's all a matter of a click of a button. So yeah, if you guys are ready to upgrade your streams without spending DSLR money, hit that link in the description below or check out the pinned comment. For creators, streamers, and anyone who's ready to level up their content, the EMEET Piko Plus isn't just a webcam. It's a 4K studio in your pocket. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link down below.